start in a few days here, so I know there's still stuff to be done. I haven't finished painting and sanding and coating, but I got enough on there right now that it's ready to travel. That's primer up top there. The awning, that is a 180, worked out wonderful. Pain in the butt figuring out how to get it back in, but between a fold and a roll, worked out. Windows are awesome. Got my track boards mounted up, which is cool. Containers, storage area is getting packed in. I kind of thought I was going to have room to drop the Coleman bottles right in front here, but I don't. Tool side, lifts, hiking poles, and basic utility of just about everything else. And then side, just the way I've shown it to you, I've got the plumbing all set up now. So water feed, 3 gallons of fresh, 1 gallon of 2.5 gallons each of fresh, 2.5 gallons of gray. The short trap, I figured this, and I did this purposely with a little bit of a pitch for driving and water sloshing, should allow some water to remain in the trap. We'll see how it goes. But love the fact it's all accessible here. The door I have to kind of push in a little tighter, but it's sealed, no dust getting inside. The balance of the truck is what we've always been. Still need to make up a couple more panels, but pantry's pretty much together. My upper part, I still need a door. Veneer has not shown up yet, and I don't care. We're traveling. And counter's in, sink is set up. Yes, veneer hasn't shown up. Foot pump, and I think I'm going to actually get the real pump instead of just the siphon bowl. We'll see. I mean, she's always been happy with that. I think I'd like the other one. Starting to load in underneath and figure out locations of stuff. I still need to secure that in place. The table is now set up on the hinge, so it lifts. I'm making the leg for it. The lift for the refrigerator is good to go. Refrigerator opens. It's all cleaned up and works. Stoked. Set up on the slide, as I showed once before. The windows are just working out awesome. Pull down the screen, pull up shade. It has a couple different points which you can have them cracked open for traveling, and they're still locked and secure. I'm very happy with those. That was a good buy. Finished off the ceiling fan, so vents in, vents out. That's a 10 watt light. I don't think we need more than that. Still messing a little bit with the ceiling. I like the way this panel worked out and the way the trim worked. This panel is a little funky. Looks dirty, but I like the way that panel does, so I think I'm going to try and go back to the guy and find some of those. But yeah, I think we're pretty much there. I've got charging port all set up for up top for me. I've got one set up for her right down there. Yeah, we're in pretty good shape. We're ready to go.